Let's taste the regular ones. I think this is a new one. Looks good. And I'm going to be eating my favorite chips. Taki. We eat one. Okay. So let's start with these Mamba. Yeah. Man. Ma'am. Mamba. Candy. Sorry, candy. Sorry about the loudness. So I just opened it. This comes in these little packs. These little packs. It's a big pack, rectangular pack that turns into another little pack, and then it turns into another pack, and then that's when I think that's when the candy come in, or they have a smaller candy. That would be so weird. Okay. So, if you can see, I got the pink kind. I thought it was gonna be red. It's kind of reddish. Let's taste. Let's see if it's sour or not. Oh. 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 Okay. Yep. It's very nasty, but it's okay. That strawberry flavor mixes with the sour too badly. So let me take out another one. Goodness, it's hard to get out. So squish up to get it. Ow! Hit the easy bacon. Sorry about the loud noise there. Stop sticky hands. Because I just got this from a corner store. Corner stores are some stores around the corner. I forgot what it's called, but got it from there. Gotta find them. They're pretty good. So we got the kind. Let's see how sour this is. And I know that the flavor is coming. Right? Does it have a sour flavor? It tastes like the normal ones. Because it's not sour. That'll just be horrible. And the last one. That was a great pack. The Mamba Sour. 6 chewies. It looks like this one's going to be red. So, it has the flavor at the bottom. The one pink one was strawberry. Of course, the one I said. The yellow one was, of course, lemon. And this one's going to be berry. So loud. There are pulling them. It fell. Oh. It flew. Anyways, this is kind of like a reddish color. Again, kind of pink too. So let's open it. Huh? Okay. Just a second. So, this is same color as the other one, but I loaded reddish. have polka dots in it. Very small. So let's taste it. Let's get the lemon out my mouth. Oh. Oh. Just by licking it, it's good. We're gonna give the last one 100. Sorry, heads up. I gotta give my mom something. Just a second.